Hey guys, this is Andy Pavia, co-founder of Toybox, the 3D printer for kids. I just saw this really cool article about this engineer that created this adapter for the Nintendo Switch controllers that allows people to control the system with one hand. Julio Vasquez, the engineer behind this, created it after one of his really close friends lost locomotion of one of his hands after a brain injury. So what I want to do is basically go to the Toybox website and import this file so you guys can see how easy it is to import your own custom file or something that you have downloaded from Thingiverse. So let's go to the creator space. So I'm going to hit import here, and I'm going to select the file that I just downloaded from Thingiverse right here. Boom, and here you go. You can see it on the virtual print bed. And now what we're going to do is we're going to hit create. And what's awesome about Toybox is that it allows users to do all of this without worrying about drivers, slicer settings, calibration, and other technicalities. It just basically just hit print and it just works. Great, so you can see that the printing time is approximately an hour. So we're gonna hit print, and what this is gonna do is gonna make the Toybox platform send the file down to my Toybox printer, and it's gonna print. Here's a printed adapter. As you can see, you can actually slide in two Nintendo Switch controllers on each side. And I wanted to take the time to thank John Biggs from TechCrunch for featuring this awesome gadget. You can follow me at Andy Pavia if you want to hear updates on Toybox, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.